Hey everyone, my name is Ben Heisch. This is, what's your name?
Oslo Heisch.
Oh, Oslo Heisch. You even said your last name. Perfect. And right before Christmas, also what's this?
The first Millennium Falcon.
And what'd you get that for?
For Christmas.
Yeah. So as many of you know, I picked up a FUJIFILM X100V, did a video about it, and the whole point of kind of getting this was to have a nice travel family camera that was really usable. And so one of the things I did when I was testing another lens was took Oslo out on a photo walk with the X100V. So he used this camera, I used one of my Leicas. And so I took Oslo out on another little photo adventure. But overall, it was a super fun time. Wasn't it fun? Mm-hmm. Super fun to just go out, get some fresh air, and thankfully it wasn't raining and stuff, so we got to use our cameras and just have some fun together taking some photos. And if we're being honest, obviously I'm going to be a little bit biased because I like this guy, but you took some really, really, really good photos, so I'm really proud of you. And so I figured I'd end the craziest year maybe of my life, 2020, with maybe the most fun I've ever had making a video. And actually, I think it's one of the better videos we've made because we get to talk about cameras, we get to take a lot of photos, and I get to hang out with Oslo.
So let's watch
the photos
I took.
Say, here's my cameras, and these are the photos I took.
Here's my camera, and these are the photos I took.
All right.
Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy.
I love it.
I'm gonna go over it.
We're just gonna walk. Let's go. Walk to the bridge.
Right.
Wow, that's a good picture.
Let's go run around.
Okay, let's go run around.
This way. Can you show me some stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you tons of stuff. Hey, let's go. Where are you going?
What is this?
Why don't you take a picture of it?
What's that?
Why don't you take a picture? Is it a good photo? Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wow. Okay, take a photo of the road.
Where? Look. Don't take a picture of me. I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
Hey, don't take my picture. There's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 levels! What? I'm going to try to watch.
Alright. Careful. Wow, this feels a little bit better. Here, let's go to the other side. Yeah. Careful, please. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Here we go. Look.
I think you can.
And think I can show him to you. That's the alien parking garage.
Oh, it's too bad.
Have a whole view of it. Look at that.
That's an amazing picture, Oslo.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Just top. Yeah.
Oslo, that picture you took was really good.
It's making me a flop.
Hey, who are these people?
Us.
That's us.
Let's go to the parking garage.
All right, let's go.
Look.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Ooh. Yeah, take a picture of this. Quick. Take a picture of that. Okay, really careful.
Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at all that?
Would you look at all that, Oz?
We're higher than the traffic light. Look how high we're going. But I like that elevator.
I know, I'm trying. Hit it again. All right, let's go.
26.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep walking then. Oslo, this is going to be a race.
Okay.
You say ready, set, go.
Set, go. No racing.
Oh, no racing? Okay. Hey, you're winning. Yeah.
I guess we can't go in there.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna go in there. Oslo, okay.
Still can stay here longer now.
Yep. Take a picture inside there. Tell me what it looks like.
They look like lights. Now I can stay here for longer.
Yep.
Even longer. How long? because I have a camera.
You do have a camera. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
No.
I love you.
I love you.
Okay, let's grab this thing and go.
This is a hat.
Yeah.
Mine. Yeah, but we're going to go down the pond.
Yeah. Run!
Where they can go.
Say,
So every Thursday we do this.
do you want to do every Thursday? Look at the camera and say,
What is it again?
thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you again on the next one.
Say, so thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.
Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.
And then go peace like Mama does.
What is it again? Thanks again. We are there. Bye-bye, YouTube.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's see if I can take a picture one more time. Three, two,
Here you go, I'll blast it.
1. Okay.
3, 2, 1, hit the button. Oh, it went fast that time. Did it work?
No,
It's okay.
look at that.